Hello, welcome to Rick the Chrome Corrector's Timeless Treasures Break 101. It is 10:15, Saturday, July 6th. That didn't come in right. But either way, to go over a couple rules right away. It's $2 if you get a hit and you want it sent to you. You can send it to rickmonghay@yahoo.com for PayPal or on eBay. The rules for dual cards, whoever's listed on top or to the left will go to that team. And as of traded players, I usually go by what jersey they're wearing. Unless the card specifies the trade, then I'll give it to that team. So here we go. Serial number. Alright, from the top we got Aaron Rodgers. We got Deion Sanders in the Falcons jersey. And the Cowboys. I'm going to give that to the Cowboys. And our first hit is Aldrick Robinson for the Redskins. It's a football patch. Maurice Jones-Drew. Game day souvenirs. That's out of 135. 96 out of 135. I'll go back to this. Aldrick Robinson. 7 of 25. And we have Julio Jones for the Falcons. And that's out of 250. And another Deion Sanders legend card. 51 out of 99. Let's go back to this Deion Sanders. Maybe we should just randomize it. I don't know. I guess give me you guys' feedback and we'll figure it out between the two teams. Just let me know what you think. Alright, thanks for tuning in. We'll do it again next Saturday.